Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. What are we doing today, Danny?
We are going to visit the Outsiders Museum.
Let's go adventuring.
The Outsiders House Museum is located just minutes outside downtown Tulsa.
The moment you walk through the front door, you are in the iconic front living room. Danny got to portray 2-Bit in the famous cake scene. A lot of the original furniture and props were sold off shortly after the movie was made, but they did a great job of finding pieces that represent what was there.
The Outsiders movie came out in 1983. Francis Ford Coppola made this movie as an adaptation of the book by S.E. Hinton with the same title. This experience exists because a fella named Danny Boy O'Connor wanted the home to be renovated to its movie set quality, and because a lot of people in the area were extras in the movie and want to keep the magic alive for years to come. A handful of the extras run the museum and do a fabulous job telling stories and sharing secrets.
We left when the switchblade came out because the cops would be coming soon, and no one in his right mind wants to be around when the buzz shows up.
Interacting with some of the actors from the movie was my favorite part. I got to learn all about what it was like as they worked with Tom Cruise, Matt Dillon, Rob Lowe, Emilio Estevez, and more. It sounded like this was a really great cast to be a part of.
The price for admission for this experience is $10 per person. In the movie, this was the home of Ponyboy, Soda Pop, and Derry Curtis. You can also see other characters come by this house and use it as a meeting place. Many of these guys ended up having, and still have, a very strong acting career today.
The house was used as a private residence from the time of filming until 2016. 3 years later, the house was opened to the public as a museum in 2019.
There are several other filming locations in the Tulsa area, but this one is unique because it includes extras from the movie to curate the tour, wardrobe pieces, a gift shop, and the special feeling of stepping onto a movie set.
Our time spent here was about 1 hour, and even with an hour, it may not be long enough depending on how big of a movie buff you are. There are tons of things to see and plenty of details to take in. The gift shop is just a short walk across the yard, and on your way there, you'll pass these 2 cars that were also in the movie.
We sure did enjoy this adventure. If you're in the Tulsa area, be sure to stop by the Outsiders House Museum. And don't forget to stay golden.
All right, adventurers, we just finished our time here at the Outsiders House Museum in Tulsa.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.